Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to create WhatsApp account. First download the WhatsApp and then follow me. Open your WhatsApp and click on agree and continue. Now select your country and provide your number. I selected Bangladesh. After providing your number, click on next. If your number is correct, click on OK, or you can also edit it. WhatsApp will send you a verification message, verify your number. Please type your name here. That will appear in your WhatsApp name. I give it text account. Then click on next. Your WhatsApp account was created. Thanks for watching.